Fucking Navy SEAL this shit.
Where's your auto?
Ask Kyle though, dude. See if he wants to come over. For that.
Hey man, when you leave, mute yourself next time. Jesus, how many shots, right? One guy moving left, very left, across the water by the tree.
You're in the zone.
He's swimming right now.
That guy didn't die immediately, so he's got a...
Yeah, his buddy's right over there by that tree. He's on his buddy's body. Right, yeah, that direction, 240. He was at that tree. That's the last time I saw him. You got a suppressor to your left. Oh, there's another dude. God damn it, dude! He has no fucking idea where you were. That's the benefits of using a submachine gun like that with a suppressor on it. Nope. He just got. Ooh.
Oh, he just got hit by that guy over there.
So it's either
guy over there by the
right
tree.
there.
There he is. Oh.
1v1. 1v1.
Shit. 1v1. Leave him alone. He's knocked. By the way, he didn't die. Did he?
Oh,
No. He died. It's
Okay.
1v1.
So,
that dude's got a
there's guy over by the
suppressor.
tree to the left somewhere.
No.
Yeah,
He's to your right. Right there, somewhere in the middle. That's where the suppressed shots were coming from.
I'm telling you, Nathan. But
Yeah, side's looking sort of the right direction, not that direction. More to your left. Yeah, more to your left.
yeah. Left around the rocks.
Yeah, that direction. That's where he was. Somewhere that way.
Yep. All right, wall's coming in. He's gonna have to run. Watch the ridge line, or the water line. Yep. Oh, he might be in the circle.
Yeah,
Shit.
he's over to your
That
left
guy's
somewhere.
careful. Yep. Oh, throw grenades.
Do you only have one? I would throw one like 165.
Stay if you're in it right there.
He threw a grenade. Right
Right in front of you, 185. That's where he's at. 185. Right there.
To your left. He's laying on the ground.
Left.
Right there.
Left there.
Oh no, that's a grenade. That's a rock.
But that's where he's at.
But that's where he's at. That's where he's at. That's where it came from. He's behind the rock. Outside.
Oh, heal.
You're both doing the same thing right now.
Yep. Now he's at the rock. It's moving in.
Boom, baby!
Woo-hoo-hoo!
There we go.
Nice job,
Hey, that's
dude.
one for the
Holy smokes.
YouTubes. That's one for the YouTubes for Cylawer.
Yep.